when your village people are after you. Let's go there. Mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. Now, walk in. You can, if you have a pavement or something higher where you can stand and understand. And so, like what I'm doing here, I had to climb on top of this pavement, then I will jump. So you can just jump as if you want to dive into a swimming pool or a river, something like that. So that is how I did. So when you're done with this one, record your hand trying to swipe something, like swiping an empty background. Now save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. So when you are on Capcut, click on new project, this plus icon here. Now import the video you recorded, just bring it to Capcut. You get my point? So guys, at this point there is how I want this video to start. So I will have to tap on this layer, tap on the layer here. Now click on split, then tap on the beginning of it, then click on delete. So you delete the beginning of the video. So now tap on overlay, see overlay here. Now click on add overlay. This is where you will have to bring the green screen effect. You get my point? So this is the green screen effect here. So when you have it here, you expand it. Just use two fingers, place two fingers on your screen to expand it to your preferred size. Now when you get it, what you do next is to go and look for remove BG. Now look at it here, tap on remove BG, tap on chroma key. See chroma key here, tap on it. Now drag this circle to where it will show green. Now this green color here, tap on intensity, drag it to 100. Tap on shadow, increase it also to 100. Alright guys, to get this green screen effect, you get my point, you have to go to footagecrate.com, but you will be charged when you get there, because it's not free. They will charge you, I think, $13 for this effect. So, and if you're a beginner, you want to learn about video editing, my phone number is in the description of this video. You chat me up on WhatsApp. You get my point? There you will learn, and I will teach you how to get this, all this, any green screen effect of your choice for free. You get my point? You won't have to pay any money to get it. But take note, chatting me on WhatsApp for this, you have to pay. You get my point? I don't charge much, it's affordable. So that's just it. So like this video, make sure you share this video so YouTube can distribute this video to many other people. All right, now let's continue. You get my point? All right, so tap on this OK icon here so you can see it. So adjust it to anywhere you want it to be, like what you see me do on screen. I had to make it to align with the pavement, somewhere like this. So what I'm going to do next is at this point where the character wants to jump, understand, where the character wants to jump. So here we have to tap on the navigation button here, understand. So from here you tap on it again, tap on the navigation button again, so it will take you to where you will have to add overlay. Now click on add overlay. Now import the hand you recorded. So here I will split and delete some part of it, because you know I don't want everything to be included, like what you see me do on screen. You get my point? Then I'll be able to adjust the hand to where I want it to be, something like what you are seeing on your screen. So after getting the correct position, what I will do next is to tap on the layer. Now go and look for remove BG. Look at it here, click on remove BG, click on auto remover, and allow it to remove completely. You get my point? That is just it. So now tap on OK. Now you can expand it, you can adjust it to how you want it to be. You can play around with this place. You get my point? I mean on the adjustment. So that is just it guys for this one. I believe you are following, you are understanding everything I'm saying. So guys, you can watch this video again and again if you don't understand this, so you'll be able to do it. So this is how it's going to be when the character is about to jump inside the water. That's when you should swipe your hand. So now I'll tap on the first layer, which is the character layer. You get my point? So I will tap on split, then click on speed. Okay, now when you click on speed, click on normal. So at this point I'll reduce it to 0.5. I'll leave it at 0.5 because I want it to go a little bit slow when the character is jumping, something like what you're seeing on your screen. So you will have to add keyframe on the effect layer. So you tap on the second layer here. Now add keyframe when your hand is about to move. At this point where your hand is about to swipe, that is where you add keyframe. Then you move the video a bit, then you add another keyframe. You get my point? You add keyframe, you move the video a bit, you add another keyframe. Now after adding this keyframe, you tap on the screen, you swipe the effect away, just drag it away. That is how you are going to get it. So I believe you understand what I'm saying. Please watch this video again if you don't understand. You get my point? So at this point where the character is down, tap on the first layer, tap on split. Understand? Now tap on this other section, go to speed, click on normal, bring it to 1.0 so it will maintain its normal speed. You get my point? So that is just it. So guys, let's just see what we got. Let's see guys. Please like and share this video. Make sure you comment. So I believe you can see something like this. You like it, Abby? Share this video, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed. So that is just it, guys. So you can just tap on any way you want it to end, like tap on this particular layer, tap on split, delete the ending part of it. Also on the first layer, tap on it, tap on split, delete the ending part of it. So that is just it, guys. The next thing for you to do here is to just download the video to your gallery. But let's see everything. Let's look at it again. You get my point? So guys, see you in our next video.
Yeah.